Hey there, I'm Kelvin, one of the co-founders of Helm. Often when you're creating a cash flow forecast, it's not for yourself. It could be for your banker, it could be for your manager, it could be for a client if you're a bookkeeper or an accountant. But what this means is a big piece of the cash planning process is, how am I presenting this data? Within Helm, we have views and reports that make it so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just simply manipulate your information, click a few buttons, and you're done. Let's take a look. There's two different reports you can export to PDF in Helm. Let's look at the first one. Go to Views and click on Transaction Detail. The Transaction Detail report is simply a line-by-line listing of every transaction in your forecast. You can change the end date of the report using either presets or your own custom date. Once you have your date range selected, you simply select Download to PDF. The resulting report looks like this. Let's look at the second report you can export to PDF. We'll go down to Views again and click on the Cash Flow Summary view. This is probably the view that most people are used to. It has time on columns, and it has your accounts on rows. We further have it separated down to cash in and cash out, so it's easy to see your cash inflows on an aggregate basis as well as your cash outflows. You can click these buttons to change your time frame to daily, weekly, or monthly. And once you have your time frame that you want, you just simply again click Download PDF. And this is what the cash flow summary report looks like once it's exported to PDF. That's how easy it is to create reports in Helm. As always, thanks for taking the time to watch. Looking for other cash planning and cash management tips and tricks? Please check out the other videos in our YouTube channel and subscribe for future updates.